The time when beaches and boardwalks were open now seems like a quaint memory, especially as the weather starts to warm up.
Where are we supposed to go? I'm telling you, yesterday, I live right nearby here. There were little kids walking in the shoulder.
Krista Curtis lives in Encinitas. She'd been using the new trail along the railroad tracks until it was closed on Thursday.
So it did get more crowded here, but it's been really crowded on the trail. Great, sure. But there's been no cases that they can trace back to people contracting it on this trail.
So she decided to organize a protest on Sunday morning at Swami's.
We've gone overboard. It's too much to allow this much, the government to control us this much has gone overboard. We look like China.
The path along the 101 has been closed too, which residents say has had an unintended side effect.
So all you're doing is forcing people to walk in areas where there aren't these barriers, which I think kind of creates a safety issue.
Lauren Port also lives nearby and says she plans to go to the protest.
The fact that we live here by the beach shouldn't be a factor of, you shouldn't take that away from the people that live here.
And Encinitas Mayor Catherine Blakespear declined to comment on this. Our calls to the city manager's office also went unreturned, but according to the city's website, unpopular or not, it says these closures are necessary to ensure compliance with the order for social distancing. As for when they will reopen, it doesn't have a specific date, only saying continued vigilance now will decrease the length of time this order will remain in place.
It really adds frustration to an already very scary and frustrating time for all of us.
Nat Boone, 10 News.
Another protest to all the closures is being scheduled for Saturday afternoon outside the Hall of Justice. Meantime, a city council member is calling for beaches and parks to reopen by the first week of May. Barbara Bree wants health officials to develop a plan to reopen public areas under social distancing guidelines. Bree says it's an important part of physical and mental health. City and county health officials have not yet weighed in on her idea.